Hello and welcome back to the Math Line. I am Lisa Wardle.
And I'm Cheyenne Roberts, and today we are diving into Chapter 3 of the California Math Framework, all about number sense.
Ooh, number sense, which honestly sounds like sixth sense, like I see decimals.
There's a fraction standing behind you. But seriously, number sense is not a spooky gift you're born with.
Yeah, it's not a superpower. It's actually a skill.
Exactly. A skill that grows with the right opportunities. When kids play with numbers, explore them in different ways, and actually make sense of them.
You're so right. So why don't we start with the littles, TK through second grade. In these grades, it's all about organizing and counting, comparing numbers, and beginning to add and subtract flexibly.
Yeah, this is where kids are learning 5 can be 2 plus 3 or 4 plus 1. And yes, fingers, blocks, and drawings are totally fair game.
And let's be honest, adults still use their fingers.
Oh, 100%. And I will always count months on my knuckles forever.
Love that. But here's the key. We don't want to rush to algorithms. If kids only memorize rules, like you can't take a bigger number from a smaller number, it backfires later with negatives.
Oh, totally. And as a secondary teacher, I can attest how many times this has happened. It's one of those famous rules that expire, like milk or my New Year's resolutions.
I don't set those anymore. I learned my lesson. Then when we move into grades 3 through 5, they really build on that. So we go into the multiplication, division, fractions, decimals.
And number lines, those become the real MVP here.
Nice.
Fractions aren't just pizza slices anymore. They're numbers with an address on the line.
Love it. Also, estimation shows up big time. And the framework says estimation isn't just those, rounding rules.
Right. It's like knowing if your answer even makes sense in the context. Like if I'm estimated my Starbucks order at $4 and the total comes out to $72, I know I did something wrong.
Big time. Well, unless you accidentally bought drinks for the entire ed service team.
Yeah, exactly.
So then we go to middle school, and middle school brings ratios, percents, proportional reasoning, basically those building blocks for algebra.
And here's the big caution. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Don't jump straight to cross multiplying or keep change flip. That's all answer getting. It's not sense making, so it's not going to help the students.
Exactly. So use number lines, tables, graphs, and let students see those relationships.
And this is also where variables come in.
And every middle schooler asks, why are there letters in math now? Why do we need to keep finding the X?
Because math is dramatic. We needed a plot twist.
Totally.
High school stretches number sense even further. Polynomials, real and complex numbers, even some financial literacy.
Finally, the stuff kids have been asking for. Budgeting, credit cards, loans.
Yes, when will we ever use this? Boom, right here.
And it's not just about crunching numbers, it's about that quantitative reasoning, using the math to actually analyze information and make decisions.
Yes, and we can't forget fluency. The framework is clear. Fluency is not just speed.
Thank goodness, because if fluency meant speed, I'd be out.
Same. Fluency means being flexible, efficient, and accurate, like having multiple strategies in your toolbox.
And math talks and games. Love them. Kids are reasoning, sharing strategies, and sometimes even forgetting they're doing quote unquote math.
I mean, Uno and Yahtzee are basically training grounds for number sense.
Yeah, they're so fun. Also, Monopoly. Although Monopoly might also be the reason why I don't talk to my cousin anymore. But that's another day.
So the big takeaway from Chapter 3, number sense, is not something you're born with or without. It grows across all grades through experiences that are playful, connected, and precise.
And when the kids build number sense, math becomes less about memorizing rules and more about seeing structure, making those connections, and really feeling confident.
So the next time someone says, I'm not a math person,
tell them that's not a personality trait. It's actually a skill, and skills do grow.
Exactly. Well, thank you for being with me today, Lisa.
Of course.
And we'll be back next time with Chapter 4, and trust me, it connects